Sit down in any comfortable position, and we will begin with the neck exercise to stimulate the throat area where the cough is stored, the mucus is stored. So for that we will turn the neck to the side, to the right, far right as possible, to the left, right, to the left, to the right, and to the left. So now we will bring the head forward and back. So chin to the chest and back. Forward and backward, stimulating the neck, throat region where the mucus is stored. Now we will do ujjayi breathing. So what you need to do, you need to squeeze the throat muscles and breathe in and out. So breathe in, squeeze the muscle. And breathe out. And breathe out. So when you will do this exercise, you will start to feel that the mucus that is stored there, they start to release, they start to come out. So where we will use medicine normally to take out, but here we can use the breathing technique and it can really take out. The next breathing we'll do, primary, is also going to really affect and then vibrate and stimulate the area and take the mucus out. So you're going to take your ear closed, eyes closed and mouth closed, breathe into your nose and breathe out with the humming sound. Now we will do kumbhak with the Jalanda Bandha. So what you have to do, you have to inhale and hold the breath. Inhale, hold the breath and lock your chin to the chest. So inhale. And very gently release. You do one more time, inhale. now we do the last pose, which is the shoulder stand, Sarvangasana, and it's really effective. So lie down on the back, feet together, hands either side of the body, tuck your chin to the chest, and inhale, bring your both legs up, hips up, waist up, support your back with your hands, make sure don't turn your neck, and stay there, hold in this pose for between 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now to come out of the pose, lower your head down, bring the hands on the ground and roll yourself vertebra by vertebra, and then we're going into fish, so bring your hands under your body, feet together, inhale, lift your head up, look at your toes, and drop your top of the head on the ground, chest out, stay for as many breaths as comfortable. Between 30 seconds to 1 minute. Come out of the pose, inhale, lift your head up, look at your toes, and drop your body down.